Before architecture became expression, before systems became digital, before design became visual language, structure already existed in matter, and matter had tone. Slate gray. Because colors were never just colors. Slate gray is a neutral gray tone derived from natural slate stone, a metamorphic rock formed under pressure over geological time. It is not decorative, it is structural. The physics behind slate gray comes from balanced light absorption across the visible spectrum, where no dominant wavelength emerges strongly, producing a perception of neutrality, stability, low visual stimulation, material grounding, structural clarity. Unlike bright colors, slate gray does not signal emotion, it removes it from the surface layer of perception. Human psychology strongly associates slate gray with discipline, professionalism, control, restraint, objectivity, reliability, because neutral tones reduce cognitive bias and emotional interference in visual processing. Biologically, slate gray appears in rock formations, urban infrastructure, storm clouds, concrete surfaces, industrial materials. These environments signal permanence, durability, environmental stability, reduced risk interpretation. Nature uses slate gray as background structure, not focus, but foundation. Historically, slate stone has been used in emulsion, buildings, rooftops, tools, infrastructure systems. Because it is durable, layered, and resistant to decay, the color inherited that meaning. In design, slate gray communicates modern minimalism, industrial precision, corporate neutrality, digital system, clarity, architectural discipline. It does not attract attention, it organizes it. Fashion uses slate gray to express understated authority, quiet sophistication, timeless minimalism, emotional neutrality. It removes visual noise from identity. Cinema uses slate gray in scenes involving urban realism, corporate systems, emotional detachment, industrial environments, psychological distance. Because it flattens emotional exaggeration and strengthens realism. Modern digital systems use slate gray in dashboards, UI backgrounds, productivity tools, data-heavy interfaces, because it allows information to dominate, not decoration. But beneath all systems of design, slate gray represents something deeper, the acceptance of structure without emotion. Not absence of meaning, but reduction of distraction. Like cities built for function before expression, like tools shaped for efficiency before beauty, like systems that prioritize clarity over persuasion. Slate gray is discipline without noise, a color that does not speak loudly, but holds everything steady enough for understanding to happen. Because colors were never just colors,